Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a boy named Leo. He was not like other children. While they played outside, he spent his time building little machines, fixing broken toys, and inventing new gadgets. His dream was to become a great inventor. One day, while exploring the old part of town, he discovered a hidden workshop. The door was covered in dust, and a sign above it read, "Professor Magnus' Workshop. Wonders inside." Leo's heart raced with excitement. He pushed the door open and stepped inside. The workshop was filled with strange machines, sparkling lights, and books stacked from floor to ceiling. Then he heard a deep voice behind him. A young mind seeking knowledge," said an old man with silver hair and round glasses. "I am Professor Magnus, and this is my magical workshop. What brings you here?" Leo, barely able to contain his excitement, replied, "I love inventing things. I want to learn how to build amazing machines like these." Professor Magnus smiled. "Then you have come to the right place. But first, let me show you something special." He led Leo to a table where a tiny, broken robot sat. "This robot is called Spark. He used to be my greatest invention, but he no longer works. Can you fix him?" Leo examined the robot carefully. He noticed a loose wire, tightened a few screws, and adjusted the circuits. Suddenly, Spark's eyes glowed and he started to move. "Beep beep. Hello, new friend," Spark chirped. Leo laughed with joy. Professor Magnus clapped his hands. "Well done. You have the heart of an inventor." From that day on, Leo became Professor Magnus' apprentice. He learned how to make flying toys, self-writing books, and even a machine that turned drawings into real objects. Years passed and Leo grew into a famous inventor. He never forgot the magical workshop where his journey began. And so, he built his own workshop where he taught young inventors just like him. And thus, the cycle of knowledge and creativity continued, making the world a more magical place.